Fort Worth. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County in north central Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Worth, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Richland Hills around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Forest Hill and Everman around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Kennedale and Rendon around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mansfield and Pentago around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Westover Hills. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.